I'm Chef Candace Conley, and I'm going to show you how to make baked brie with chopped apricots. It's a great make-ahead appetizer. Now, the first thing that you want to do is get a sheet of puff pastry and lay it out. Then you're going to get your wheel of brie. You want to shave one edge off of it, actually the top that has the most parchment paper on it. Just shave it off with your knife. Then you're going to put your chopped apricots. In this case, I use dried apricots because they soften up really nicely when the brie cooks. So you just spread around the chopped apricots. Then you're going to put the puff pastry over the top, flip the brie over, and then just bring the edges up around the bottom. Then you're going to place it on a cookie sheet that has parchment paper on it and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until the brie is puffed and golden. Then it's ready to serve. You want to wait actually just a little bit because it will be very hot, but that's what makes it such a great make-ahead appetizer. I hope you like it.